Proofing is an easy way for your team to review content where you already plan and manage your work. To get started, enable proofing in the right panel or ask the sheet owner to do it for you. You can then create one proof per row by uploading a file. Send feedback requests to anyone with a valid email address to review your proofs. The request notification takes reviewers to a review page accessible on any device. Here they can pin comments to your proofs, have conversations with other stakeholders, and approve or require changes. Upload a new version of your proof at any time. The previous version will automatically be locked to further comments, but remain available in a view-only format. To learn more, visit the Smartsheet Learning Center.